that you all are fine. देखो मेरे साथ कौन है? She is my niece. Say hi.
Hi.
So let me tell you where I am. See the place. Yes, it's Tagore Hall. I have been invited for the grand ceremony. I'll let you know what this ceremony is all about. See you. Yes, you're right. It's a student felicitation program for which I have been invited. I scored 85.34% in my BA. I got gift, I got frame, I got medal. After this program, I took so many photographs. At last, we are having ice cream. Hurry! See, this is my medal. It is really unique. It is made up of wood, pure wood, and it's really lovely. Now, time to open my gift. I actually came home and I was really excited to open this gift. I was not able to control myself while coming home. Also, I was excited to open it up. Now, as I'm opening, I'm not able to hold my breath. Literally, I just want to see what they have given me. Can anyone guess? I think it must be some frame only. No, but I got the frame actually. What it must be? Let's see. Oh my god. Wow, lovely. Look at the color. It's also made up of wood. I actually love the things made up of wood. Wow. It's wall clock. So these are the things which I got. I'm really grateful for this. Thank you.